Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Deep Kona Sea Salt is probably one of the most versatile and flavorful seasonings you can add to your kitchen, offering a unique taste profile that elevates everything from simple roasted vegetables to gourmet seafood dishes. Its natural harvesting process ensures a pure, mineral-rich salt that not only enhances flavor but also provides essential trace elements, making it a healthier choice for everyday cooking and a delightful addition for any culinary enthusiast looking to explore new depths of taste. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus, a powerful pre-shampoo treatment designed to transform your hair. In just 3 minutes, this innovative formula works to repair damage from the inside out. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, it's designed to benefit everyone. Experience a noticeable difference as it leaves your hair feeling incredibly soft and remarkably strong. It's the ultimate solution for achieving healthier, more resilient hair with every use. What we like? This product offers a complete repair for damaged hair. It's a pre-shampoo treatment that works quickly to make your hair stronger. If you have damaged, coily, curly, straight, or wavy hair and are looking for a quick fix, you should consider this. What people say. The salt has a great flavor and texture, perfect for finishing dishes. Deep Kona Sea Salt dissolves beautifully and enhances the taste of food without being overpowering. I love the coarse crystals of this sea salt. They add a satisfying crunch and visual appeal to meals. Number 4. Motor Trend FlexTough Beige Floor Mats. Introducing Motor Trend's FlexTough Car Floor Mats. They offer maximum all-weather protection for your car's interior, guarding against snow, rain, and mud. Designed to fit most vehicles, these flexible rubber mats mold to the shape of your car's interior. They provide a custom fit for your convenience. Crafted from a proprietary rubber blend, these floor mats are built to last. They will always protect your vehicle's interior without deforming or cracking. The trimmable shape ensures a perfect fit for most vehicles. You can easily trim them to your car's specific specifications for a tailored look. Spills, dirt, and stains wipe right off these all-weather mats. Simply use soap and water for effortless cleaning whenever needed. What we like? These floor mats provide maximum all-weather protection for your car's interior. They are made from heavy-duty rubber and designed to fit most vehicles with a trim-to-fit design. If you're looking for durable, waterproof protection against snow, rain, and mud for your car, truck, or SUV, you should consider these. What people say. The salt has a very fine texture, making it easy to dissolve evenly in dishes. Deep Kona Sea Salt provides a clean, pure salty flavor without any bitter aftertaste. Number 3. Aromasong Low Sodium Sea Salt. Introducing Aromasong Low Sodium Sea Salt, a 100% natural fine-grain salt. It's a healthier alternative for your daily seasoning needs. Sourced directly from the Dead Sea, this salt is packed with essential minerals. Enjoy the pure taste and benefits of nature's finest. Our unique blend features potassium chloride, offering a balanced flavor profile. It's a smart choice for those mindful of their sodium intake. The fine grain texture ensures it dissolves easily, perfect for all your cooking and baking. Elevate your dishes with its delicate saltiness. This large 39 ounces, 1106 g, container provides excellent value. You'll have plenty of this premium salt to last you a long time. Make the switch to a healthy lifestyle with Aromasong. It's the natural way to add flavor without the excess sodium. What we like? This sea salt is a low-sodium option, enhanced with potassium chloride. It features a fine grain, making it versatile for various culinary uses. If you are health-conscious and looking for a salt alternative with added benefits, you should consider this. What people say. The salt has a great flavor and texture, perfect for finishing dishes. Deep Kona Sea Salt is a high-quality product that adds a unique taste to any meal. I love the coarse crystals of this sea salt. They provide a satisfying crunch. Number 2. Aromasong Natural Dead Sea Salt. Discover the unparalleled purity of our 100% natural sea salt, sourced directly from the mineral-rich Dead Sea. It's a food-grade, kosher salt, perfect for all your culinary needs. Experience the unrefined goodness of this salt, naturally gluten-free and packed with essential minerals. Its coarse grain is ideal for grinders, ensuring fresh seasoning every time. Elevate your everyday meals with this versatile salt. Its fine texture and pure flavor make it a staple for daily cooking, enhancing the taste of any dish. Preserve your favorite foods with confidence. This salt is perfectly suited for canning and pickling, providing a clean, crisp taste to your preserved goods. Our large, 19 pounds resealable bag ensures freshness and convenience. It's easy to store and use, providing ample supply for all your kitchen adventures. What we like. This is a 100% natural, food-grade sea salt from the Dead Sea. It's unrefined and comes in a large resealable bag, perfect for daily cooking, canning, and pickling. If you need a substantial amount of natural, unrefined salt for your kitchen, you should consider this. What people say. The salt has a rich, complex flavor that enhances any dish. Deep Kona Sea Salt has a satisfying crunch and dissolves beautifully. Its natural mineral content provides a unique taste profile. Number 1. Gustus Vitae Crystallized Honey Sea Salt. Introducing Gustus Vitae's Crystallized Honey Sea Salt. Experience a unique blend of natural sweetness and savory sea salt. Crafted in small batches, this gourmet sea salt is all natural and handmade in the USA. You can taste the quality in every crystal. We believe in purity. That's why our product is non-GMO, with no MSG or fillers. Just simple, wholesome ingredients. Each batch is carefully hand-blended to ensure a perfect balance of flavors. It's a difference you can truly savor. Our sea salt comes in a convenient magnetic tin, perfect for keeping your spices organized and accessible in the kitchen. Elevate your everyday meals and gourmet dishes with this exquisite sea salt. It's the perfect finishing touch for any culinary creation. What we like. This sea salt is uniquely blended with crystallized honey for a gourmet flavor experience. It's all natural, handmade in small batches, and comes in a magnetic tin. If you're a foodie looking to elevate your dishes with a unique, high-quality seasoning, you should consider this. What people say. The salt has a great flavor and texture, perfect for finishing dishes. Deep Kona Sea Salt dissolves beautifully and adds a subtle, complex salinity. I love the coarse crystals of this sea salt, they provide a satisfying crunch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.